I welcome you all once again to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. I will be preparing vegetable beef stew today and I hope you will love it. Let's prep the beef. So I'll go ahead and then cut all the beef into smaller chunks, and then when I am done we will continue with the preparation. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Now this one contains fat. I'm just going to cut it and then discard. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Do you know what? It is absolutely free, so do so for me. Like the video, share to others, and please leave me your comments in the comment section. Now I am done with the beef. I am just going to wash it behind camera. Okay, I did it in the camera, but how I was seeing the blood, I did not like it, and I know very well that someone may not like it. Okay, I just want you to feel comfortable or feel at home. Yes, so I don't want to show you certain things. Now I am just prepping my onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, and on the other side I have my rosemary. I'll be adding it to all these ingredients, add some water to it, and then blend them. When I am done blending it, I'll be with you and then we continue with the process. Please, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more delicious videos or recipes. If you want short videos, please do not forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and then our YouTube shorts. Okay, we share detailed short videos. Now after I am done blending everything, I added it to the beef. Now I have added some salt. I added my beef seasoning, and I'm just going to allow the beef to cook very well before we proceed. Thank you so much for your time. If you want the recipes in Tree language, please follow us on YouTube. The name is Recipe Goddess. We use the local dialect to do the videos there, and sure, you will love it. Okay, now this is how the beef is looking. It looks absolutely delicious already, but we are going to wait for it for some few minutes and then we will proceed. Now our beef is ready. I'm just going to remove it from the stack just like this. I'll just remove it from the stove and then go and do this behind camera, but I just want to show you how I am going to do it. Okay, I am done removing everything. I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to fry the beef, and as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of stuck on it, which is going to make the place messy, even though it was a bit messy. Now I'm going to fry it very well and then we proceed. To be honest with you, I will always be honest with you. This is not how I wanted the beef to be. Okay, I didn't want it to be dry, so at this moment I should have removed it, but I forgot myself doing other things, and when I came back it was dry like this. Not very dry, but this is not how I wanted it. Okay, so now I'll remove it from the oil and then we proceed with the stew. So not long ago I brought you how to prepare your all-purpose tomato stew. If you do not remember this, right? Yes, and please, if you've not watched that video, please go and watch it for me. That is the stew we are going to use to prepare our beef stew. I saw a comment under this video and I was just laughing. I don't know why most of we Africans, we don't like asking questions, but we will judge people wrongly. We don't like learning. How do some people learn? Because if you don't like asking questions, you can't learn. No. Ask questions and stop jumping into conclusion. The oil is too much. I did it for a reason. Do you get it? But we will talk about that when I bring you another all-purpose tomato stew. Okay, so that is some of the stew we are using today, and as you can see, there's no oil on top. Do you get it? So no one is going to scoop that oil and drink. Mukasa papa. You like talking too much. You people, some of you behave as if we don't think about our health, or the people who prepare food for them, we don't think about their health. Stop it. Anyway, now that is what we have there. I'm just going to allow it to fry a little before we proceed. I will add the beef stock to it and then wait for a while before we add any other ingredients. So with this stew, we are going to fry everything that we are going to add to the stew very well. I mean, the vegetables that we are going to add are not going to be crunchy, okay? Not my way, but how my husband wants it, okay? So I don't want you to write anything under it and tell me the vegetable is too soft. Oh, mama, anyway. So now I am going to add my carrot, okay? And wait for some few minutes before we add any other things. If you've been here for so long or you've been following me for some time, you know very well that I don't usually prepare my beef stew or chicken stew. It's always my husband who does, and then I bring you the video. That is because I don't do it the way he wants it, okay? I always prepare it the way I want it, okay? Even though I don't eat it, but I always prepare it to make sure that the vegetables are not very well cooked, and he doesn't like it. So with this one, I promised him that I have changed. We are in 2025. Now I've added my fried beef. I'll go ahead and then add my peas, add my onions, okay? And then taste for salt. If the salt is not enough, I'll go ahead and add my salt or seasoning. Should you want the vegetables to be very crunchy, please, in the next 4-5 minutes, that fire should be quenched, okay? Yes. Or if you add the scallions or green onions just like this, you should just put the fire off and then allow the heat to cook that. But since I told you earlier, I am just going to fry the spring onions as well. And trust me, yesterday I received a call from my husband and he was like, trust me, this is the best beef stew I have ever had. Yes. And I was so happy that he enjoyed it. Now, at this moment, the stew is okay, but I realized that the vegetables were not well cooked. So we are just going to cook this for extra 15 minutes and then we can continue. As you can see, it looks so delicious already and there is no oil on top. Please pair this with anything of your choice and our stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please, before you comment as if you are writing it for your own self, even though you are not a content creator. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.